time no video. Today I went to the post office to pick up my package that I've been waiting for for a long time. So here's the package. I opened it already so that it'll be easier to take out. And then, oh yeah, I waited for this package for like already 4 weeks. This week is the 4th week. Usually, like regular mail takes 2 weeks to get to the USA from Korea, but as a lot of you may know, there's this huge snowstorm and cold weather that hit like the northeast part of US. So I waited so long to like finally get a notice left in my mailbox to get this. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out right here. So first, it's a mask, the Nature Republic argan mask from, oh no, yeah, this is a freebie from the seller that came with the package. EXO on the cover, and then the back looks like this. And then I have these. He or she gave these 3 Polaroids and a China sticker. And then the main part is these cards. I ordered. I bought the full set of Nature Republic Photocards, the member ones. So yeah, yay! These are so pretty. First I have, the seller packed it in these Nature Republic sleeves. I have baekhyun, apple mango, baekhyun choice, and then Sehun. His choice is grapefruit. Please excuse my English. It sucks. And then Shumin, shea butter. Peach is Chen. And then this packet, Chris, green tea, China, avocado, Luhan, wild cherry, Kai is rose butter, Dio, raspberry, Suho, lavender, lay, vanilla, Tao is orange butter, So this is the full set of Nature Republic Photocards, all the members. I actually, like, this few days I've been following the updates on these cards on Weibo, and then some sellers of, like, they were selling sets of the member cards for like a really cheap price, and then they realized that it's actually a printed version, like it's not authentic, not from Nature Republic. People have been selling them, or sellers have been selling them in the streets of Myeongdong. So I'm glad that even though the set was really pricey, I'm sure that it's authentic from it, because it's from a trusted seller on eBay. I heard that the cards on that they were selling, like the printed ones, the not the fake ones, are does not have all four specs on the corners right here, and then the photo, like the front of the card, is actually low quality. It's not as clear. It does have the same back size, so that's why it's really hard to find. I mean, it's really hard to differentiate. But based on what they said, the sellers on Weibo said that the fake ones does not have all four specs, and the quality is low quality right here. And then, so yeah, if you're purchasing a set at like a really low price, please be careful. That's what I heard. So I actually saw a picture of all the sets that they have selling on the streets of Myeongdong. So I will post a link of that picture on the description, and you can take a look at it. I only have the members, like the full set of members, so I'm still missing the group cards. I recently bought a EXO group card right here from a YouTube seller, and I'm still looking for EXO Ks. Well, I actually bought an EXO K one, but it's not with me. Like, my cousin bought it for me. And then I'm still looking for the OT12. I really want it, so if anybody's selling it, please let me know. I really want to complete the set because I'm not satisfied with this. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.